Alright, welcome to my unboxing video. Today I have a antique map that I bought from MurrayHudson.com. They sell antique maps, globes, books, and some prints, but I wanted a ancient map to kind of go with. We kind of have a map collection, so I kind of wanted one, and it was $20. They have right now a 40% discount, so it was reduced to $12. And then they have on there that it says, I was a little bit wary at first because it said that shipping was, after you already give them your credit card information. So I was a little bit wary about that, but they sent me an email back, and they don't charge you on the credit card until after they get your approval for the shipping amount. Now this shipping and handling costed me $5. And it came here, it was approximately, I think maybe 4 or 5 days. It was a pretty fast ship, so let's crack it open and see how they wrapped up this map. I don't want to cut anything inside of here. I'm not sure how it's wrapped, so that's why I was kind of hesitant to use the scissors. With shipping, it was $17 total, so I was pretty happy with the price. I'm kind of anxious to see what it looks like. I saw it on the website. They show you the pictures of the maps, and you can zoom in and get a real good view of what the map looks like. So I was kind of anxious to see it. It was okay, they got it pretty well wrapped up here. It's definitely got some good wrapping on it. I'm going to take it out of the package here. Now what I want to do with this is I was going to frame it and hang it up in our house here. We have some other maps hanging up, but they're more decorative. They're not really actual maps. But I've been looking to get a map for a while. Now this one, here, as you can see, it has the British Isles, it's got Ireland. There's quite a few things going on this map, and I like the coloring of it. It was a pretty cool map, so I was interested in it when I saw it there. Now it's all in I think it's it might be Spanish, I'm not quite sure, but I really enjoyed the look of it on the site. But yeah, it's in pretty good condition, just like they showed it on the thing. There is some wear on the corners, but I knew that going in because it was all. This is exactly what it looked like on the photo on the website. That was dated on the website, and I don't remember what the date was, but I really like how they got it shipped here. They really did a good job. $5 is well worth what I spent to have this shipped here. But yeah, if you act right now, I believe it was till the end of June that they give a 40% discount on all their maps. The most expensive maps were maybe $200, so they weren't outrageous prices. I've seen a couple other places that had maps for thousands of dollars. Now I'll put the website down in the comments below so you can check it out and see, check it out yourself. See if there's a map that you might want, or maybe an old book. They do have some old geography books in there that were also kind of pricey. I was looking at some of the old 19th century books in there, and they were pretty expensive, but they had some really interesting stuff on their website. A huge selection of different materials. I really enjoyed looking through their stuff.